Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to plan a study schedule for JEE. First, thoroughly understand the JEE syllabus and exam pattern. Next, honestly assess your current knowledge to pinpoint weak areas needing more attention. Finally, set realistic daily and weekly study goals that are achievable and sustainable for long-term success. This foundational planning is crucial for an effective study journey. To manage your time effectively, allocate specific time slots for each subject every day, ensuring balanced coverage. Remember to integrate short, refreshing breaks to maintain focus and prevent mental fatigue. Prioritize your most challenging topics, dedicating more study hours to them when your concentration is highest. This structured approach maximizes learning efficiency. Consistent practice is key. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to understand the exam format and common question types. Make sure to review all concepts and formulas weekly. This reinforces learning and aids retention. Additionally, take mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment and improve your speed and accuracy. Maintaining consistency is paramount. Stick to your planned schedule as much as possible for optimal results. Don't forget your well-being. Ensure you get adequate sleep and maintain a balanced diet to keep your mind sharp and body healthy. Remember, a healthy student is a successful student. Also, check the description below for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals to support your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.